So earlier this week, I went on a hike, and it made me think about what we learned in class about altitude physiology. When I was hiking uphill, I noticed I started breathing a lot heavier, and my heart rate went up pretty quickly. That connects to what we learned about how atmospheric pressure decreases as altitude increases. Even though the percentage of oxygen stays the same, the partial pressure of oxygen goes down. So that means less oxygen is actually getting into my blood. Because of that, my body has to work harder to deliver oxygen to my muscles. That's why I felt like I was getting tired faster, even though I wasn't moving super fast. This is basically hypoxia, where there's less oxygen available. So my body responded by increasing my breathing and heart rate to try to keep up. If I stayed at that higher altitude longer, my body would start adapting. One big adaptation is increasing red blood cells through EPO, which helps carry more oxygen. But since my hike was short, I only experienced the immediate effects, not the long-term effect, or long-term changes. This also connects to performance because aerobic activities depend on oxygen. So when oxygen availability drops, endurance performance goes down. So overall, my hike showed me how lower oxygen availability at higher elevations make your body work harder and affects performance.